Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a call if you guys are looking to improve your credit score, lower your car payment, buy a car, trade in a car. If you're looking to purchase your first home, if you're looking to purchase a rental property, we can help you. Give us a call today, 877-205-7771. Talk to you guys soon, and thanks again.
Hello everyone, this is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone is doing well today. Today we're going to talk about the best time to purchase or lease a vehicle. As we know, is among us. It is the end of the year, all right? So after selling cars for 6 years, of those 6 years, I was in sales for 4 of those years. In those 4 years, I sold over 550 cars. In less than 4 of those years. And during that time frame, the best time, it seems to be, with the incentives and things of that sort, it seems to be, the end of the year. Okay, the reason being is because it's the end of the model year. Most new vehicles, assuming that you're looking to go into getting either a new vehicle. There's nothing wrong with getting, a pre-owned or used vehicle, but honestly, pre-owned or used, you can pretty much get those anywhere. But if you planned on getting something that's certified, which means that you're buying the manufacturer, the actual make from the automaker. For example, if you're buying a Toyota from a Toyota dealership, they sell new and used Toyotas. If you're buying a Nissan, and they sell new Nissans as well. If you're buying a Mercedes, and they also sell new Mercedes Benzes. So there's nothing wrong with buying a used vehicle, because you can buy a used vehicle anywhere, but you want to try to go certified. So if you're buying a certified pre-owned from the automaker, if you're leasing a vehicle, or if you're buying a brand new vehicle, this is the best time to buy. The incentives are usually better. Of course, the dealership, they always got monthly numbers to try to reach. But towards the end of the year, the dealerships, this is what a lot of people don't know about that, is that they have to, in order to qualify for the newer vehicle inventory, they actually have to sell the older inventory. And the dealerships that do not sell the older inventory fast enough, they can't swap out with the newer models. For example, it's 2019. Yes, they have 2020 models already prepared, and they're all ready to go, right? But they're going to put a limit on them. So that's number one, is that it limits their inventory once they keep vehicles in there, that's 2029, well, that's 2019, and some dealerships maybe have some that's 2018, but they usually turn those into rentals by now. They turn them into a rental car department. They turn them into loaners, and then once they get miles up on those, then they turn them into certified pre-owned vehicles. So there's always ways around to get it, but of course the manufacturer can still see that VIN number is still owned by the dealership, even if the dealership does purchase it. So they have to buy it from themselves, and they don't want to buy it at at sticker price. Okay, so just little things like that you want to just kind of keep out. That's number one. The number one reason why they get rid of so much of their inventory so quickly is because they're limited on the new models that are just coming out, the 2020s. They're going to be limited on it because they have to get rid of the 2019. So that's number one. Number two, insurance purposes. So all the dealerships have some type of insurance plan on their, what they call their fleet or their table, or there's a lot of different jargon that dealerships use. But in short, the insurance costs more on newer vehicles that are not yet sold versus a used car. A used car is used, they know it's used, and it's in there, it's used. That means it's had a previous owner, okay? There's nothing wrong with that at all. Even if it's certified, it's going to be like that. But when you have a new vehicle and it has an older model year, but it still has not yet been sold, then the insurance is higher on that vehicle, simply because you still need brand new parts on a vehicle, because it's still considered to be brand new, because it has not yet been titled to an owner. Okay, so those are the top 2 reasons why dealerships need to get rid of the inventory by the end of the year. Granted, they sell vehicles every single day. Saturdays is always a good day as well too, but at the end of the year, that's always the best time. Now, if it's a big deal to you to get a 2020, then you can go ahead and do that. It's not going to be many incentives on 2020 year vehicles, but there's most definitely going to be some incentives on vehicles that are still 2019, as they don't want to go into next week with that vehicle in their inventory. So hope this video helped. If you like it, you want to share it, and as always, be sure to subscribe, as we have nothing but great content on the way. Thank you all so much. Have a great day.